Hello guys, I wanted to take the chance to introduce you on how to protect intellectual property with Vaultitude. What you see here is the dashboard that is always shown when you open up the application. So I think it's really easy. You have here the menu on the top left. You have a search bar that allows you to search for other publications by other authors. You can quickly access your emails and you see the amount of IP tokens that you have and those you need to pay for some of the services of the platform. You also have an overview of what's been happening lately, recent news, your inbox in more detail, your wallet, search results that may be of interest to you, and the latest updates in your vault. And remember, vault is the place where we store your intellectual property, so that's kept safe there. If you open up the menu, I think at the bottom we see the user profile and the settings. Of course, you can change those, so you can change a photo for your profile and I'll add all the relevant information here. Also, you can, let's go back to the settings, you can differentiate between your company account and your personal account. A company has, of course, more members than just one. Then you have your wallet here. There you see what's been happening recently. You have the possibility to buy new IP tokens or transfer IP tokens that you have to a private wallet. You see your network. These are your friends or colleagues and you can accept their requests. You can find others in your community that you want to add, or you can invite, of course, people that you know who you think could profit from using Vaultitude. You have your inbox, that's essentially where you communicate with all of them and have the possibility to send them purchase offers and so on. And then there is the aforementioned vault, which is the place where we store all your intellectual property. You can search through it, of course, to find quickly the item that you're looking for. We give you the possibility to access it by each type of IP. And if we want to add an intellectual property to it, that's really easy. We do it up here on the right-hand top side. We say add IP, and then we can decide which type of IP we want to add. That could be an invention, that could be some form of media, video, photos, audio, 3D art, designs, whatever. Documents, code, maybe a trademark or scientific or research results. So let's say it's an invention. In that case, we have to fill out this information about the invention. We could save it as a draft. Maybe you have a company account, so there are more members that work on this together. Let's say you add a title and abstract, you classify it. That's all very important in case you want to make it publicly available as a defensive publication, so a patent office can find it or other users can find it. You have to, of course, describe the invention. Maybe you add attachments or product examples. You say exactly who is the inventor, or plural. Maybe there are more inventors, who is the owner, and then you have the possibility to decide, that's very important, whether it's going to be just accessible by you, so it's private, or whether you want to make it publicly available. And as soon as you've entered all that information, we did this for you now quickly, then you can start uploading it. We said, okay, we want to make it public and allow comments. We want to allow for licensing and making it available for purchase. And we say, okay, what are the purchase price or the period of time which it is available for when you want to make it available for licensing. So you now complete this transaction. You get told, okay, that costs you a small amount of IP tokens. That is then completed. And once you get to this page here, that's the IP page. As soon as the IP is uploaded, that is the overview that is shown to you in your vault or to other users in case they're looking for this and it's publicly available. You see all the information that you entered here. That is the place where people can see the owner, the history of the document, the ratings, the comments are down there, down here. And now, very important, you can do different things. You can transfer it, so that means you can transfer the IP to another user, well, either for a price or for free. And also very important, you can share this information, and that means if you have confidential information that is just in your vault, you want to make sure that nobody can abuse your rights as the creator. So Usually you might simply share it with a friend without a non-disclosure agreement, but let's say you pick an NDA and then you sign that and send this to one of your contacts, or you add a new contact by email address, but let's say we send it to these two guys. And once we share it with them, what happens, if they get a message and if they want to see that information, they have to sign the NDA as well. And that NDA also gets uploaded to the blockchain. So that means you ensure that whoever has seen this has to accept your terms before, and you can very easily prove that in legal proceedings or in court or what else.